Hey, welcome back. Thanks for joining us here. David Ono with Worldwide Bookkeeping. Today we are going to take a look here within QuickBooks Online how you can enter a bill into QuickBooks, and then when you're ready to pay it, how you can pay that bill. So we're talking about bills that you get from vendors. So you buy something or somebody provides a service for you or your company, and then you're going to enter that in as a bill, something that you owe them. And then you're going to pay that amount off. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it. Whenever you're adding a new bill, it's going to be right here on this new button at the top left corner. You come down here, hit bill, and then that's going to pull up a screen. Sometimes it takes a little bit. That's okay. So let's pretend here that this company had gone in and ordered some billboards. They're going to have a big marketing campaign. So we're going to go ahead and find the bill was from Lee Advertising. Okay, so we'll just say that this is something that's due in 30 days. So we've got the current date, September 6th, 2021. It's due in 30 days, so October 6th, 2021. And then we're gonna say this is for category. We're gonna say this is advertising. Descriptions, just real quickly, we're gonna put billboards, and they put $8,000. They bought $8,000 worth of billboards there. Now, so what we're looking at now, there's this little pop-up here that in QuickBooks you can actually pay your bills directly through QuickBooks with a bank transfer, a debit card, and those are free. There's no charge to do that, or you can use your credit card. Now that costs 2.9% per transaction. But if we're just going to put this, we're going to pay with a check, for example, then we would just save it. And now once we save that, we will see that actually pops up this schedule online payment. It's exactly what I was talking about with using either a bank transfer, debit card, for free, or using your credit card. So that's where you would go to click on if you were going to take one of those methods to pay it. But for right now, what we're going to do is we're just going to close this out because we're going to take a look at our financial reports. We're going to show how the effect that has on your financial report. So we put the bill in. If we look at the profit and loss, we see here profit and loss for up through September 6th. If we go down to your expenses, we see advertising for $8,074. Now if we click on that amount, it's going to take us into the transaction detail level, and we actually see that bill in here for the billboards, right? The $8,000. So that has now flowed through, and it's actually showing up on our profit and loss. Now, if we notice the split column here on that transaction, it actually shows it wasn't like coming out of a MasterCard or a checking account, anything like that. The split is actually on accounts payable. So that actually shows us that it's showing up both on the profit and loss and on the balance sheet. So we can go take a look at that. We can see how this is affecting the balance sheet as well. So this one bill that we've put in, it's affecting both our profit and loss and our balance sheet. And we're going to see here in 2 seconds exactly what that means. Now, that was saying accounts payable, which is exactly what we've done with that bill that we entered. So we just want to make sure that balance sheet as of September 6th, and we're going to look at accounts payable. We click on that $9,602 for accounts payable. There's a few bills that we owe here as a company. We see Lee Advertising. Lee Advertising for $8,000. So that's got that in there. So I am running out of time. I'm going to cut the video off here. I will make another video that's going to very quickly show how to pay the bill within QuickBooks. We already showed the online method, but I'll show you how you can do it with a check, how you can make partial payments, and then how you can take a look at how that affects the financial reports as well. David Ono for Worldwide Bookkeeping. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.